Google Scholar, there's a couple of ways you can do this. You can turn on a setting, which is available under the 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner here. And if we come into settings, and if we come down to Bibliography Manager, what you need to have is Show Links to Import Citations as selected with EndNote chosen. Another setting which is useful for Google Scholar, which isn't directly linked to EndNote, but it's very useful to be aware of, particularly if you're using Scholar from outside a UQ campus or not outside the VPN. Again, come back into your settings, but this time choose from one of these options in the top left and go to Library Links. And what we're going to do is add the University of Queensland library link. So if it isn't already there, just search under UQ Library and then check the box next to UQ University of Queensland Library. What this will do is add a link which gives you the ability to check the UQ collection to see if that particular reference is available to you, if you're a current University of Queensland student or staff member. So we'll do our quick search again. Now to export to EndNote or import to EndNote, you can either use the option we see here. There is also another option which you don't need to set up, which is there already, and it's under the Cite icon, which we can see is half a double quote mark here. And if we can see, it's listing the formats for various referencing styles, but down the bottom there is also an option for EndNote. And when you do that, as you can see, it has sent it across. Remember to always double check Google Scholar in particular. That is can be incorrect, the information. It is not as easy, however, to send multiple references simultaneously with Google Scholar. There is the ability, if you are logged in with your Google account, to save references you're interested in by clicking on this little save icon. This will save it to your My Library area, and you can export up to 20 at a time. Basically, it sends how many is listed on the page. So if you've got more than 20, you're going to have to do multiple exports.